Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are combining two closely related indicators, the all-time high and the ATH date and percentage. Together, they help you measure a token's drawdown from its peak. Let's break it down. The all-time high is simply the highest price a token has ever reached. It is a historical reference point, a benchmark you can use to understand how the current price compares to the project's best ever moment. But the ETH price alone doesn't tell you much. That's why CryptoScores pairs it with the ATH date and percentage, which shows you when that peak happened and how far the current price has fallen from it. Let's take a look at Chainlink for the example. Its all-time high was $52.70, reached on May 10th, 2021, and the current price is sitting at minus 84% from that peak. That's a massive drawdown. Now, does that mean Chainlink is a bad project? Absolutely not. Chainlink is one of the most fundamentally strong projects in the entire ecosystem, but what it tells you is that the token reached its peak during a specific market cycle, the 2021 bull run, and hasn't returned to that level since. That percentage specifically is your drawdown measurement. It helps you assess several things. First, how severe is the correction from the peak? An 80% plus drawdown is significant, but not unusual for crypto assets across market cycles. Second, what's the perceived catch-up potential? Some investors see a deep drawdown as an opportunity, while others see it as a warning. And third, what was the market context when the ETH was reached? If the peak happened during an euphoric bull market, the ETH might have been inflated and may not be a realistic target. As you can see, there is no specific color code for this indicator. It's purely informational, but it's incredibly useful for putting the current price in perspective. You can click on this value directly from CryptoScores and go to the CoinGecko page and see the full price history. Also, keep in mind the ATH is based on price alone. It doesn't account for changes in circulating supply. A token might be further from its ETH in price, but closer in terms of total market cap because more tokens are now in circulation. That is why CryptoScores also includes the market cap ATH change, which we will cover in another video. The ATH and its associated drawdown are essential context for any investment decision. Head over to cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.